Principal Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, and Mr. Ravinder Prasad, Commandant CRPF, they are both present in court. And Your Lordship, the order has been complied. We have filed an affidavit, and I am giving the physical copy, Your Lordships.
Lords, the order has partly been complied with. My Lord's
Where is the order?
My Lord's order is Annexure 1, my Lords.
Page?
My Lords. Annexure P starts page 11, my Lords, starts. And the concluding portion of my Lord's order, last paragraph concluding, my Lords.
It has not been complied.
No, my Lord, petitioner has been reinstated.
But reinstated on what date?
On 12th of the August, he has issued letter. Petitioner
12th of August
of 2022. Order has been issued for reinstatement. Petitioner has got the same, and he has proceeded for submitting joining. So far, my Lord's second concluding portion of the order is concerned. The concerned respondent is hereby directed to calculate monetary benefits for the intervening period from the date of termination, that is 25/5/2016, to till reinstatement, and continue to pay salary attached to the post and disburse in favor of the petitioner. That part has not been complied.
No, the arrears has not been paid.
No, my Lords.
Your Lordship, we have annexed the order for his reinstatement. In that we have stated that as soon as he joins, the formalities will be completed and the calculations will be done, Your Lordship. That's a mere formality now.
But you are not complied in toto.
Your Lordship,
you
that
comply the order.
Your Lordship, that calculation, Your
All
Lordship.
right, sir, we will adjourn by 1 week. You calculate and disburse the amount.
No problem with that, Your Lordship. We have stated, Your Lordship, we have stated that the intervening, as soon as he joins, he will be the calculation between the intervening between the period, the date of termination from service to date of joining will be regularized separately on his reporting for duty. That's what we have said.
All right, I'll adjourn the matter next week.
No problem.
You calculate and disburse.
No problem, Your Lordship. That will be done. I am making a statement that will be done.
Taken pursuant to the previous order, so and so is present in the court. Take his name and designation.
Your Lordship, he is saying, Your Lordship, he is saying that the day he reports, within 15 days from that.
Why? Because how is it relevant? How is it relevant for the purpose of calculation?
Your Lordship, he says that they have to calculate it, and once that is done, they have to send it.
Correct, sir. How many days you want for calculation? His salary is 10,000, 15,000
so
for these many months.
For payment, Your Lordship, he is saying it will be paid within 15 days. That's what he is requesting, Your Lordship. Subject to Your Lordship's, he is saying 15 days from the.
No, why 15 days is required? Please let us know.
Your Lordship, because they'll do the calculation, then they have to send it to their audit and then PAO. They have to get a formal approval from there.
All these days, what was he doing?
Your Lordship, they were just waiting for him to join. The moment he does that, Your Lordship, there's no problem. They have consented. Your Lordship, they have obeyed the order. They are ready to obey the order, the last part also.
Yes,
there's no problem with that.
The land counsel for the respondent, pursuant to the previous order dated so and so, Mr. So and so present in the court. 2 persons. Respond by 2 and 3 or something. Full stop. They have filed a show cause along with an order dated 12/8/2022 by which petitioner complainant is stated to have been reinstated pursuant to the order passed in CWJC so and so dated so and so. Full stop. Insofar as payment of arrears of salary from the date of termination till reinstatement is concerned, Mr. So and so respondent undertakes that it would be calculated and disbursed within a period of 2 weeks from today. Full stop. In the light of the aforesaid submission, the contempt proceeding stands dropped. In the event of non-payment of a non-compliance of the aforesaid order relating to payment of calculation of arrears of pay and disbursement, in that event, a petitioner is permitted to file an application for revival of this order. If such application of revival is filed, adverse order would be passed against the concerned respondent. Accordingly, the contempt petition stand dropped.